Now the first step is to switch on the printer, so press the power button on. Also check the display screen if all the readings are there. Now take the starter ink cartridges in your hand and remove them from the packaging. So these are in the plastic packaging, as you can see. So you have to remove the flap and take the ink cartridge out. Also remove the seal, which is orange seal at the bottom. Now this is ink cartridge number 244 ink cartridge color and 243 ink cartridge black. These are the starter ink cartridges, and these must be installed when you are using your new printer so that the setup can be done. Now once you take them out of the packaging, we open the ink cartridge chamber. Now the ink cartridge door is just at the front, so you just have to go down and take this ink cartridge chamber out. Once you open the door, ink cartridge chamber will come in the place. Now have to install the color ink cartridge and the black and color both. So first push it in and just let it go in, and once you push it a little bit hard, it will lock itself. So slide in both ink cartridges one by one and they will lock once you push them inside. So it might be difficult because there is no enough space to put your hand, as the printer is quite small in size, so it might be difficult to replace the ink cartridges. Now you can close the ink cartridge door or chamber door. Now open the top output tray flap and move the size adjuster to the one side. Now you can load the A4 size sheets there. Also it has a different sizes available, so if you want you can print photos or you can use the small size of the pages. So this is the way we can install the starter ink cartridges and our printer is ready to use. So overall I can say the printer is quite small in size. It's difficult to insert the hand to install the ink cartridges. So just keeping in that mind, overall the printer is good for wireless printing and scanning. Hopefully you like the video. Thanks for watching.